Contactless cards are the newest way to pay. That's why the Hometown Savings Bank is pleased to offer a simple, faster, and easy way to pay for your everyday purchases. Just tap, pay, and go. Your contactless card can be used to buy everything from groceries, food, and even gas at supported terminals. It's also engineered with your security in mind. Contactless cards use a secure one-time code when it communicates wirelessly. That's an extra layer of security. Plus, your transaction process is quicker than other payment, so you can get back on the road faster. Here's how to do it. When checking out, look for the symbol that lets you know you can pay with the tap, similar to your Wi-Fi signal on your computer or phone. Remove your card from your wallet, tap, and hold your card to the terminal when prompted. Then listen for the beep to let you know your payment was approved. Done! It really is that simple. And you can still use your contactless card at merchants who don't yet have contactless checkout. Swipe your card or insert your chip just like normal. Why not tap, pay, and go today with your Hometown Savings Bank contactless debit card? The Hometown Savings Bank makes it easy to make the switch.